Hello everybody, what's going on? Few important updates are coming from NIOs and we have seen posts circulating, including direct hiring notices from the new Shinkia factory. These notices state that the F3 factory is hiring a large number of operators with salary and treatment same as the F1 factory. Now in the factory world, a major hiring push like this is the sound of a new assembly line being primed for action. But there's more report from the ground indicate that the sources at the facility says NIO is working around the clock to ramp up production facility for the all-new ES8. A supplier representative has also confirmed that facility is currently producing the NIO ES8. This isn't just a future plan. It's already active even as construction details like a formal front gate are still being finalized. This tells us one more thing: NIO is operating on accelerated timeline. Production is happening before the ribbon cutting ceremony. So the question here is that why this F3 factory is so important. To understand that, we need to talk about NIO's biggest pain point over the last year: production bottleneck. NIO has incredible brand loyalty, innovative battery swap technology, and a lineup of great vehicles including the ET5 and the new ES6 and the ES8. Demand has been through the roof. However, the reality is that they have constantly been constrained by the physical limits of their existing manufacturing capacity. Every time they try to hit the next major delivery milestone, they run up against the ceiling. The F3 factory is the key to breaking that ceiling. This is where the company will gain the necessary scale to achieve its true potential in the premium EV market, not just in China, but eventually globally. This isn't about incremental improvement. This is about a step change in manufacturing output. So my takeaway on this news is that this F3 factory news is a massive positive signal for NIO's future. It proves that management is not just talking about scaling, they are aggressively executing on the physical infrastructure required to become a global EV powerhouse. The hiring, the round-the-clock work, and the early production of the flagship ES8, these are all indicators of a company that is in hyper-growth mode and determined to remove its most significant limiting factor. If they execute this ramp up effectively over the next few quarters, it will fundamentally change the financial narrative surrounding the stock, leading to high revenue, better margins, and a strong valuation. The story of NIO is one of the innovation and brand, but the next chapter is one of manufacturing scale, and the F3 factory is the pen writing that chapter. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one.